Hello students, this is the second part of chain rule of derivative. In the first part of the chain rule of derivative video, we have learned how to use the chain rule and we have solved some few questions on chain rule of derivatives. And today on this particular video, we are going to solve some more advanced type questions by using chain rule of derivative. So let's start by solving question number 1. So the question is y equals to e to the power 3x square plus 4x minus 7. So in the same way, first of all, what we have to do, we have to convert the given function into a known form. So what we'll do here, we will assume let u equals to 3x square plus 4x minus 7. So then y will equals to e to the power u. Now we'll differentiate. Normally we'll differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx is equals to d dx of e to the power u. Now what is a d dx? Now we know that d dx of e to the power x is e to the power x. So similarly dx of e to the power u will be e to the power u. But now again the same rule. This is x, this is u, these both are not same. So as they are not same, so we have to further differentiate u with respect to x, that is du by dx. Now we are going to put the value of u. That's putting the value of u, 3x square plus 4x minus 7 and d dx of 3x square plus 4x minus 7 e to the power 3x square plus 4x minus 7. Now here we will directly do this. 3 is a constant, we will write just 3 into, now x square derivative is 2x plus 4 is a constant, we will just write 4, x derivative is 1 minus 7, just a 7 number, that means this is totally a constant part and constant derivative is 0. So now we'll simply solve that. 3 into 2, 6x plus 4 into 1, 4, in this in the bracket, and 3x square plus 4x minus 7. So this is your final answer. So this is the first question we have solved. Now let us proceed to the question number 2. Now the second question is y equals to 1 divided by root over x square plus a square plus square root over x square plus b square. So first of all, to solve this question, first of all what we have to do, we have to convert this given question into a simple form. So how to convert this question into simple form? So just remember one thing, whenever you see the square root part, just rationalize it. Simply just rationalize it. So here we are going to rationalize the denominator. Now rationalizing means writing the same factor, writing the same function but of opposite sign. But of opposite sign. So in the numerator part, 1 into this factor will be x square plus a square minus square root over x square plus b square. And in the denominator, you can see that there is a form a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square formula. So that means square root over square, that means square root will vanish. X square plus a square minus x square plus b square. Now just opening the brackets. So we can see that x square term will going to cancel out. So finally it remains a square minus b square. So this is our y. So this is our y, or we can say that in another simple way, that is y equals to 1 by a square minus b square into root over of x square plus a square minus root over x square plus b square. So this is our y. So now we will differentiate this particular y. Okay. So this is our y. After simplifying the question, we get this y equals to 1 by a square minus b square into square root over x square plus a square minus square root over x square plus b square. Now again we have to convert this y into a simple form. How to convert? We'll simply let, so these are the functions. This is one function, this is another part. So for this part we will assume this as u and this part as v. That is, let u equals to x square plus a square and v equals to x square plus b square. Simple. So then y equals to 1 by a square minus b. See, 1 by a square minus b square is a constant part because there is no x, so this is totally a constant. Is root over u minus root over v. Now we will do the differentiating both side, dy by dx. This is a constant, so that means constant will remain out of the derivative. ddx of root over u minus ddx of root over v. Okay. Now what is ddx of root over x? ddx of root over x, we know that it is 1 by 2 root over x. Just remember that thing. So we will use that here. It will be 1 by 2 root over u. Now 1 by 2 root over u, but again this is u, this is x. These two are not same. So by chain rule we are going to further differentiate u with respect to x. Minus ddx of root over v, that means 1 by 2 root over v. Again this is v, this is x. These are not same, so we will further differentiate v with respect to x. Now just putting the value of u and v. That is just putting the value of u and v. U we have assumed that 2 root over x square plus a square, and ddx of u is x square plus a square, minus 1 by v is x square plus b square, and ddx of v means x square plus b square. Okay, just putting the value of u and v. Now we'll differentiate. This part, and here we will directly do that. ddx of x square is 2x plus a square. A square is a constant and constant derivative is 0, minus 1 by 2 root over x square plus b square. Again here the same, x square derivative is 2x and b square constant derivative is 0. So simply 2x plus 0, 2x by 2 into root over x square plus a square, minus 2x plus 0 is 2x divided by 2 into root over x square plus b square. So here we can see that 2 and 2 can be cancelled, 2 and 2 can be cancelled, and in both the term x is a common factor, so we can take the x common. So finally dy by dx is equals to x by root over of x by a square minus b square 1 by root over x square plus b square minus 1 by root over x square plus b square. So this is the final answer of the question, that is dy by dx equals to x minus x by a square minus b square into 1 by root over x square plus a square minus 1 by root over x square plus b square. Please note it down. So now we'll proceed to the next question. If you find any doubt, please let me know. I will try to solve it again. Okay, so now proceed to the next question. Okay, so the question number 3, y equals to log of x plus root over x square plus a square. Simply again, to convert into simple form, what we do, we will assume let u equals to x plus root over x square plus a square. So then y equals to log u. Now we'll differentiate both sides with respect to x. So therefore dy by dx equals to d dx of log u. That is d dx of log u is, we know that d dx of log x is 1 by x. So d dx of log u will be 1 by u. But again, this is x, this is u, these two are not same. So we will further differentiate u with respect to x. Now putting the value of u, that is 1 by x plus root over x square plus a square d dx of x plus root over x square plus a square. Okay, so now we'll differentiate this bracket term, that is 1 by x plus root over x square plus a square. d dx of x is 1. We know that d dx of x is 1. Now we have to differentiate this part. d dx of x is 1, we know. Now for differentiating this part, this same part we have done previously in the last question only. So again, by using the same rule and same technique, we will differentiate this part also. What we'll do, first of all, for this particular part, we will assume let v equals to x square plus a square. So what is the conversion of this one? A square equals to 1 plus d dx of root over v, as d dx of root over v, and we know the differentiation of root over x, so we'll use that here. So 1 by x plus root over x square plus a square 1, and that was d dx of root over v, that means 1 by 2 root over v, and again this is v, this is x, these two are not same, so we'll further differentiate v with respect to x. So now just putting the value of v, now just simply putting the value of v, what we assume v, we have assumed v as x square plus a square, that is root over x square plus a square, d dx of v means x square plus a square. Okay, now d dx of x square 2x, d dx of a square is a constant, so its derivative value is 0. So that is x plus x square plus a square So here we will do directly 2x plus 0, that is 2x. So that is 2x divided by 2 root over x square plus a square. Now to save one step, what we'll do, we will cancel here 2. So I can have save one more step say. So now we will simply do the LCM. Now taking the LCM, x square plus a square, here we'll get x square plus else, because here is denominator 1 and here root over x square plus a square, and their LCM will be root over x square plus a square. Now just do the cross multiplication, 1 into x 1. So we can see that here x square plus root over x square plus a square, and here also square root over x square plus a square plus x. So these two terms are same, so we can cancel them out. So finally what remains? 1 by root over x square plus a square. So this is your final answer of dy by dx. Clear? So in the same way, there are 2 more questions. I'm giving that homework for you. Just try that questions. So these 3 questions is homework for you. You will try these 3 questions. The question number 4 and question number 5 are similar like the previous question number 3. So you can try that question number 4 and 5. And question number 6. For the question number 6, I'm just giving you hint. First of all, you find dy by dx. Then in the left hand side part, you put the dy by dx value and simplify, you will get y cube. Just try to do that. If you have found any doubt or problem while solving this question, just let me know. I will solve that also. So now let's proceed to question number 7. So first of all, these 3 are homework for you. Must try these questions. Okay, question number 7. Y equals to log x square. Now this is nothing, no tricky question, just a simple question. Just see first of all how to write this question. First of all, this is log of x square and log of log x square, and that is log of, this is the way of the question is given. So first target is that we have to convert this particular question in a simple way. So first of all, we will start with the ends from here, from the last part. First of all, we assume x square equals to, let u equals to x square. So then y is equals to log of log and x square means u, so that is log u. Okay, as our target is to convert this full question into a simple log of some variable. That variable can be anything, u, v, w, x, y, z, anything. Now again, now we assume this log u as v. Then again let v equals to log of u. So then y equals to log of this part as v, and finally we'll assume this log v as w. Again let log v equals to w. So then finally y equals to log of this function as w. So this is our converted y. So we have assumed 3 things. One is y equals to x square, u equals to x square, v equals to log u, and w equals to log v. Remember this 3. Okay, so first of all we will differentiate. Okay, so let's start differentiating. Dy by dx, therefore dy by dx, that is d dx of, what was the y here? Log of w. Okay, now d dx of log x is 1/x. So log w will be 1/w. But these two are not same, so by chain rule, again differentiating. Now putting the value of w. What was the w value? Log v. Just putting the value. Log v d dx of log v. Okay, now log ddx of log v, again log derivative is, log v derivative is 1 by v, so we'll put that value. Okay, so what we get, 1 by log of v, and here ddx of log v means 1 by v, but again this is v, this is x, these two are not same, so we'll further differentiate v with respect to x, that is dv by dx. Clear? After this step, this is 1 by log v ddx of log v, and log v derivative is 1 by v, and but this v and this is x, these two are not same, so by chain rule dv by dx. So now let's put the value of v. What was the v for us? V is log u. Just putting that value, put in the value of v wherever you see there is v, so we'll write here log u. Here is also v, we'll write here log of u, and here also v, we'll write here ddx of log u. Okay, now again ddx of log u, ddx of log u. So let us first of all write this thing, ddx of log u, 1 by log u. Okay, now ddx of log u, that is 1 by u, this is u, this is x, not same, so again du by dx. Now putting the value of u, now what was the u for us? X square, that is log of log u value is x square, log u means x square, u means x square, and ddx of x square. Now ddx of x square, 2x, that is 1 by log x square, 1 by log x square, 1 by x square, and here 2x. Now this x and x cancel, so finally after adjusting them, 1 into 1 into 1 into 2, that is 2. Now here first of all the first term is x, then log of x square, and finally log of log x square. This is the answer. Okay, so just here nothing but just assuming the variables and converting the given question into a simple form. So this is all about the chain rule of derivative. We have solved some total 14 questions. Some questions as homework for you, and some questions we have solved here. If you find any doubt regarding any questions, then let me know. I will try to solve that also. And the next topic of our discussion will be, we will discuss in the next video. Up to then, watch this video,